What to do if your circuit breaker has popped? Well, first locate your circuit breaker box and open it. And then on the left-hand side, or typically on the door, you're gonna see a panel schedule. This is gonna be important information because we're now gonna look at our circuit breakers. They should look like this. This is from an earlier 2000s home, so they might vary, but the concept is the same. Let's look at one right here. It says off and on. But a good way to look at it logically is that most of the circuit breakers should be on, and when you're going down the row, they should be facing a certain direction. Just make sure that you understand the difference between off and on. Now, circuit breakers don't pop in the off position, they pop in the middle position. So if you find one that has been popped, don't flip it. What you need to do is you need to look at the panel schedule and find out where that circuit breaker goes to. So if it goes to the bathroom, go to the bathroom and disconnect everything in the bathroom. Make sure you double check that you removed all of the load off of that particular circuit. And when you're looking at your panel schedule, it can be wrong if somebody wrote it wrong, or you can misinterpret what line is what line. So double check everything just to make sure that you're looking at the right circuit and that your panel schedule is correct. Now, before you reset a circuit breaker, make sure that it's not burning, that it's not hot to the touch, that you don't see any smoke. So when you're ready to reset the circuit breaker, you have to go to off, and then you have to go back to on. And if you reset the circuit breaker after you unplugged and you removed all the load, if it trips immediately again, do not reset it again. But the next thing is asking yourself why that circuit breaker popped and addressing that main concern.